This 2022 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108 terabytes is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Winnebago is 22 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 4, TV, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, microwave, air conditioning, external shower, refrigerator, spare tire kit, Colorado Detector, LP detector, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108 terabytes is 4,040 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.